What's going on, guys? Noe here, bringing you guys another video. So I went ahead and ordered some headers for the Veloster. They finally came in, so this is gonna be an unboxing video. I hope you guys like it. So let's go ahead and jump straight into the video.
All right, so here I have the box. This is the box it comes in. They are MainTec headers. So I don't know why the tape is like, the packing is just so bad. Anyways, let's go ahead and open it up. See what we got in here. So we got a whole bunch of newspaper. Go ahead and get all this out the way. All right, so let's see, we got a Walmart bag. What the hell? Sorry, it's kind of hard doing it with one hand. So check this out. We got the flex pipe, front pipe, whatever it's called. The welds look pretty good. Check out the inside. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. I'm guessing this has got to be the header because the only thing that's in the box. So here we got the headers. Alright, so check them out. Check out those welds. Also, it does have the MainTec emblem right there. They look pretty cool. There we got the O2 bung. Alright, so that's how it's gonna go. So it's gonna be going right like that. Let's see what else we got in the box. What is this? Oh, I thought it was a menu for a second, but nope. Just a whole bunch of coupons. Check it out. That's all I got in the box. And then got a empty bag. Oh, okay, so here we have flange gasket, which goes right here. We got a O2 bung. which this one's gotta go right here for the secondary O2 sensor, since we already do have one right here. Gonna need a second one for this one right there. I also did purchase a manifold gasket, my local auto parts. So right in here we got I guess we just have one of those. Yep, so I guess I got 2 bolts and one nut. Well, that's great. So in total, the shipping was pretty fast. It took about, I ordered it on Friday and it got here on Tuesday, so I guess that wasn't bad. In packaging, I kind of want to say the packaging wasn't too bad, even though I'm missing one of these. But other than that, I gotta head down to the local muffler shop, have them weld on this O2 bung onto that one, and should be ready for install. So I'm on my way to the muffler shop right now. I'll see you guys when I get there. Here we are, best muffler shop.
Two hours later.
Alright guys, here's the finished product. Got my O2 bung right there. I got the O2 bung right there. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and leave a comment. Also, stay tuned for the install video on the headers, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.